Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send Polkadot from XMO to your Tangem wallet. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and create a new wallet or import your existing one. It's a hardware wallet, so you'll need to have the physical card handy for security verification. Next, log into your XMO account. XMO is a popular exchange, but remember to use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find your Polkadot balance. Click on the withdraw option next to it. Now, this is crucial. You'll need to enter your Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem app, select your Polkadot account, and copy the wallet address. Paste it carefully into the XMO withdrawal form. Double-check that the address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the details. Enter the amount you want to send, making sure it's less than your available balance, and check any withdrawal fees. XMO might charge a small fee, so factor that in. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the two-factor code if prompted. After you submit, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet app. You should see the Polkadot tokens arrive shortly. A quick tip: always use a secure internet connection for these steps, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first to build confidence. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now safely in your Tangem wallet. This keeps your crypto off exchanges and under your control, which is a smart move in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.